Hey everyone, I recently printed some of my artwork from Moo and I wanted to show you guys how they turned out. So let's take a look at this first one. There you go. That's Mina from Kaiju number 8. This is what the back looks like. It's got a small QR code for my website. And these are all available on my Etsy store right now. I believe this is the same thing. Yep. Let's see what this one is. This is my Nico Robin fan art. I love how this turned out. It's glossy in the front and matte in the back so that you can write in your postcard. Okay, let's check out this one. Oh, sweet. This is the Luffy artwork. And this is how I envisioned Luffy would react when he finally meets Akainu. If you guys like my work, please go ahead and head over to the Etsy shop and you can purchase these postcards there. All right, thanks.